YouTube, what's happening with y'all kinfolk? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy, back on the scene with a pocket full of lean. I'm excited for this. I cannot believe this. Oh my God. Welcome to the channel. If you are new over here and have not subscribed yet, please make sure you hit that subscribe button for your boy, man. The content is dope. Bruh, y'all see the title? Oh my God. And if you already subscribed and this is like your first time over here, man, oh my God. I know I'm all over the place right now, but I cannot contain my excitement because, dog, I have not had these shoes since the 4th grade, dog. Oh my God, I'm probably about to put a picture up with me in 4th grade. But yes, 4th grade. If you know me, if you're one of my day ones, if you've been rocking with me for a long time, you already know. Y'all see it in the title, man. I really haven't had these shoes since 4th grade. Now, these were an early drop on Sneakers App. Shout out to my boy Unbreakable. I text Break, I said, Break, I need to know something. He's like, bro, just be ready. 850, be ready. So I'm on his live watching, and I'm scrolling on the app like, bro, I don't see him. And on his live, I hear him say, bro, go to your PC. So luckily, I was already sitting down at my desk, like, man, let me go to Nike. And lo and behold, them bad boys is on there. Your boy clicked the size, bro, like 2 seconds later, pending, got him. Bro, it's crazy, but I ain't even gonna get in my thought powers. I ain't even gonna bore y'all. Let's go ahead, man. Let's go ahead and unbox these things, man. I can't wait. Here come Nike with the Steal Me check on it. Come on, Nike. Where my keys at, man, so I can unbox this thing. Nike with the Steal Me, just, whew. Thank God somebody always at the crib when I get a new shipment in. OG box, y'all. OG box. Oh my God, man. I'm in here about to cry, man, because I really haven't had these shoes since 4th grade, dog. Wow. Now, my 13s, I always go 11 and a half. Like the 11 and a half and the 13s for me is like a perfect fit. Like I like my 13s kind of snug, so that's why I always go like a half a size down. Oh, I knocked down my thing, but that's all right, man. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all. Oh my God, y'all. I really, bruh, I'm about to cry, dog. Like, dog, I'm in here about to cry because since 4th grade, y'all, I'm in my 30s. Bruh, since 4th grade, dog, I have not had these sneakers, dog. Like, I missed the 05 pair, missed the 2010 pair, and now 2020, I got these back in my hands. Oh my God. Bro, I'm really about to cry, y'all. I'm really about to cry. Man, let's go ahead and get into the review, baby. Now, like I said just a few minutes ago, these released back in 1998, 98. Oh man, your boy was like, what, 10 in 98? Oh my God. So I was a little whippersnapper, 10 years old. I don't know, 9 or 10. I was going to the 4th or 5th grade, one of them. I know it was back to school. But dog, these right here, these OG things, man. Now, I ain't even gonna hold y'all. This is double up worthy for me. This might even be triple up worthy because these are my first ever Air Jordans. Like, these are the first Jordans I ever had in my life. And these are definitely warranted for a double or triple up. Now, these release on May 30th at the end of the month. So May 30th, y'all be on the lookout for these. Your boy definitely will be vlogging and picking pairs up. Like I said, I need at least 3 pairs, 3 personal pairs for me. I might just do 2, but I'm gonna pick up pairs for other people. Might even flip some pairs, man. I know grade school's gonna do well. Like, y'all know, for the ladies and the small foot guys. Matter of fact, I'm predicting these to sell out just all together. On the kid side and the men side, these are going to sell out. Like, I don't think these are going to sit like the, I think the Bread set, the Bread 13 set, and I know for a fact that he got game set. So, But I don't think these gonna sit, man. I really don't think they gonna sit for real. Now, like I said, from 98, then we got them retro back in 05 and 2010. Now the 2010 pair, they did not have any 3M on the upper, which pretty much sucked. Because without the 3M, like, dog, we just gotta keep it to the original. The original. Oh, these my grills. This is a grail for me. Like, y'all just don't know the half, man. But let's go ahead and get into details of the sneaker. Now, going into details of the sneaker, we have our Flint Gray midsole going on that thing, and that Flint Gray is something amazing. Like this whole sneaker is just pretty much flat out dope. If y'all don't like this sneaker, man, something wrong with y'all. Now, I know it's giving off Dallas Cowboy vibes, but me, nah, I ain't putting no Dallas Cowboys on this line. If I get my mom a pair, matter of fact, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and get my mom a pair since she blessed me with a pair back in '98. She's a Cowboys fan, so I can see her wearing this with one of her Cowboys jerseys. You know, even though the Cowboys, I'm not a Cowboy hater, but just not a fan of them. They pretty much overrated in my opinion. All right, now going into the outsole of that thing, we got that navy blue on the bottom. And we got our blue Jordan Panther eye. Y'all know Jordan is the black cat. The Panther is a black cat. For those of you who don't know, who's not into cats. But, I'm gonna leave y'all alone. I'm gonna leave y'all alone, man. And then up on the outer towards the toe, we got some more Flint Gray on that thing, man. Ooh! Going into the upper, we have our navy blue, which is 3M. I'm gonna show y'all a 3M pick in a minute of this thing, man. And then we got our 23 holographic Panther eye. Y'all already know the vibes when it comes to that. Now going into the tongue, we got our UNC blue or University blue Jumpman on that thing. And y'all know it ain't nothing like UNC blue. When you look up in the sky every day, what you see? You don't see royal blue up there. You see that Carolina blue, baby. But oh man, we about to go ahead and give y'all an on foot and some B-roll of this thing, and then we gonna hop back in front of that camera. Let's blast off, baby. Man, I hope y'all enjoyed that B-roll and on foot. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. Is this a cop for you? If you're confident, is it a double up or a triple up? Like I said, for me, I might triple up on these things, but I'll be okay with a double up. A double up is a must, man. I appreciate y'all for coming through rocking with Weezy Wee, your friendly neighborhood sneaker main dog. Hey man, Flint 13s, a must have for your boy, a must have for your boy. But anyway, y'all know how I get out of here, baby. I hope y'all staying safe through this pandemic. Love, peace, and all this beef. Put some chicken grease on that thing, baby. Gone.